Everyone knows about the animals in the flood. But the real test wasn't the storm. It was Noah's faith before the first drop of rain fell. Picture this, a man with calloused hands and an impossible task. God said, "Build." Noah built. No rain in sight, just neighbors laughing and a mountain of wood that seemed to mock the cloudless sky. Every plank he placed was an act of faith. Every nail he drove was trust in the unseen. While others saw foolishness, Noah saw obedience. This wasn't just construction, this was faith under construction. Then came the parade nobody expected. Lions walking beside lambs, eagles soaring alongside sparrows. 2 by 2 they came as if answering a call only they could hear. Creation itself was bearing witness to one man's unwavering trust. The sky began to change. What started as whispers of wind became roars of thunder. The heavens opened, and the world that had mocked Noah's Ark suddenly understood its purpose. Faith wasn't foolish, it was prophetic. 40 days and nights, the earth was remade. But inside that wooden vessel, hope floated. When the dove returned with an olive branch, it carried more than leaves. It carried the promise that faith always finds dry ground. Then came the rainbow, God's signature across the sky, a covenant painted in light. It wasn't just about survival. It was about trust, trusting even when the skies are clear. Noah's Ark isn't just about survival. It's about trust, trusting even when the skies are clear.